Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what does SSL pending mean on Shopify. So basically that means that it's trying to connect and verify the connection of the domains. So all you have to do is go to settings and then check on it in your domains. So right here, if you have a connecting or existing domain, it's going to show up right here. It would look like this. And if it says SSL pending, such as this one right here, as you can see, it says SSL pending. So all you have to do right there is you connect your existing domain and then type it in the domain. So once it does that, just press next and it will redirect you to a new website. So from there, as you can see right here, all you have to do is find the DNS settings or domain management area in that certain website. From there, you have to add this TXT record name with the shop verification. So this is the part that's important. You have to add the TXT record with the name Shopify verification. And then paste the unique TXT record value as you can see right here. So it's going to be after the Shopify verification. For example, your subdomain is the shop example.info right here. That's their example. So then your text TXT name is supposed to be Shopify verification at shop. So there, then you return to your tab in Shopify domain, then click your verify connection, then it's gonna be okay. So this will take up to 48 hours before it will be actually connected and it will be okay. So there you go guys, that is how you fix your SSL pending meaning on your Shopify. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.